Now, habiter means to live, and here I'm writing that is vivre. Vivre is also to live. Okay, but there's a difference. Abite, if you talk about I live in Lucknow, I live in apartment, we use abite verb. Vivre verb also we can use the same for the same situation, but vivre verb we use in a broader sense. Like suppose say, I live happily. So in that case, you can't use abite. So it shows life condition as well. Like a place also it shows place, like where do you live, and the life condition as well. Clear? Now I'll teach you the conjugation of abite verb that you know already. Jabit, right? You know this one, er verb. Jabit, you abit, il or el abit, right? Nous habitons, vous habitez, vous habitez, and il or elles habite, right? Nispika, you know this one, right? Sakshi,
Oui,
Niharika.
madame.
Now when we talk about vivre verb, like you can use I live as je vis, tu vis, Il or L, we need to memorize this one because it's the irregular verb. There's no regularity. Nous vivons, nous vivons, vous vivez, il or elle vivez, il or elle vive, il or elle vive. If you want, you can write down in your copy. Repeat after me. Je vis,
Je vis,
je, tu vis,
tu
tu
vis,
vis,
il vit, elle vit,
il
il
vit,
vit,
elle vit,
nous vivons,
nous
nous
vivons,
vivez, and this one
nous
nous
is
vivons,
vivez,
il vive, elle vive.
il
il vit,
vive, elle vit.
Yeah. So when we talk about this one, that is, I live in Lucknow, you can say Javi a Lucknow. That is also correct. So either you can use abite verb or you can use vive verb. As he said, like me and my mother and me. So mamamo, mamo is mamo, mother, mamamo et moi and me. Moi means me. Nous, nous vivons, we live together, right? Nous vivons ensemble. Ensemble, both of you, that is ensemble means together. Repeat after me, ensemble.
Ensemble,
Ensemble means together. Ensemble. Ensemble. So here she used vivons because that is also live, right? So we live together. Clear? But if you say I live happily, I live like sadly, something like this, in that case, you need to use only vivre verb like je vis heureusement. Je vis heureusement means happily. Okay? That is vivre verb. But yes, for a life condition also, like living in a place, we use vivre verb. Clear? Je vis à Paris. I live in Paris. Javi a Lucknow, or you can use Jabit a Lucknow. Any doubt here? Both verbs are like
no,
same,
madame.
conjugation is different. Clear? Okay. Les enfants jouent à cache-cache. The children play hide and seek. Regard means look. L'image, the image is search les enfants and look for the kid. Chercher is a verb. I'm writing here the verb conjugation. Please write down in your copy. Chercher is an also er verb. Repeat after me. Chercher.
Sachet,
So if you say I look for, it means to look for. To look for. So yeah, je sèche, tu sèches, il or elle sèche, right? Same like a er. It's a er verb, so conjugation is same like er verb. Special ending, you need to put je sèche, tu sèches, il sèche, elle sèche, nous sèchons, vous sèchez, il sèche, elle sèche. Clear? So here, regard, look the image and search les enfants and look the kids, like look for the kids. Clear? Yeah. Now here you can see there is a Dominic behind the curtain, right? So how to say Dominic is behind the curtain? You know rideau, right? Rideau vocabulary we did. So you can write down Dominic. Dominic, that is the name of the girl. Dominic a after verb
et
derrière. We did not derrière. Derrière, do you remember? Devon means front
oui,
of,
madame.
derrière means behind. Now you are telling her positioning ki where is she? So Dominique est derrière la rideau. रिदो के पीछे है ना रिदो. Rido means that is curtain. Rido. Do you remember we did Rido? And you mentioned in your presentation as well. Rido means curtain. So where is she? Dominic. A derrière la rideau. Clear? Positioning is clear. This is like preposition we are using. Yes.
Oui, madame.
Now tell me where is the Pierre? Pierre, this boy. Yeah.
Pierre est sous la table.
Correct?
Sous
Very good.
la table.
La table, correct? So, Sakshi, clear, right? This one, Pierre, A, under that is sous, S-O-U-S. So, you can say Pierre, A, sous la table, sous la table, clear?
Oui, madame.
Niharika, tell me where's David? Où est la David? This is boat. You can say boat. Boat is a box. So, I'll tell you the item. Boat means box. But yes, which preposition you are going to use?
Um,
David, you can say David, A,
David A.
dog, D-O-N-D-A-N. So you can say David A,
David
David
A.
A, dog, D-A-N. Dog means हो गया inside. Dans la boîte. Boîte means box, right? Boîte is a box. A new vocabulary you can write down. Boîte means box. But positioning क्या है? Dog. David A, dans la boîte. Clear? This is dog preposition. Inside. Yeah? Clear? Okay, Sakshi, this is one is already there now. Bernard A. Sula canapé, right? Under the canapé. Canapé means sofa. Now tell me, Sakshi, where is Lucy? Où est la Lucy? Où est Lucy?
Est,
Elle
est
est
derrière la
derrière la
canapé.
canapé, right? So elle est. This is feminine. So you can say elle est or Lucy est derrière la canapé. Easy, right? All of you, this one.
Oui, madame.
Now here we can do this one that is we did ordinal number that is premier, deuxième, troisième. I think we did na this one.
Oui, madame.
Yeah. Okay,
Oui,
so
madame.
here negation also we did na c'est un lit and ce n'est pas un lit. C'est une maison. Ce n'est pas une maison. Whenever you have a être verb, indefinite article never get changed, right? You know this one. Like here you have
Ma'am,
a. Hmm?
negations we have to do today. We could not
Okay.
do last day.
Okay, so when we talk about negation just right, we put na and pa before and after the verb. So when we talk about negation, like na come, then the verb come, then pa, right? So it means not in French. But if a verb starts with a vowel, you need to put nine apostrophe. Like nine apostrophe, then the verb, then pa. So if we talk about anything that is in negation, all the indefinite article are, yun, and they get changed into the form or the apostrophe. That is the rule of the negation. Okay. So for example, if you are saying, I have a pen, j'ai un stylo. So here you are telling the quantity. I have a pen. When you negate, ja को separate कर लो n and apostrophe and a. Je n'ai pas. Now a become the because here you are negating the quantity as nil. So you can say je n'ai pas de stylo. I don't have any pen. Clear? So je n'ai pas de stylo. Clear कि why we put here the because it's a negative sentence. Clear? Are converted as the. Similarly, here we have example. Sakshi, can you read the example A, then the negation, B, then the negation?
Sure, madame. Elle a, elle a faire. Elle n'a pas de faire. Elle
This,
a une maison. Elle n'a pas de maison.
correct? You can see both of all of you that is are converted as the, yun converted as the, right? Because we are talking about negation. So as per the rule of the negation, you need to put the only or the apostrophe in case of vowel. So elle a affaire. She has a brother. Elle n'a pas de frère. So she doesn't have a brother, any brother, you can say. So elle n'a pas de frère, right? Elle n'a pas de frère. Now, elle a une maison. She has a house. Elle n'a pas de maison. Clear? Na
Yes.
pa sound come. Okay, Niharika, this one, these two. First, like affirmative sentence, then negation. Jouer means that is twice.
Nous avons de. Uh, ma'am,
They,
what is it?
jouer,
They
jouer.
jouer. Il apartment.
Il a un appartement. Répétez, un appartement.
Apartment.
Un appartement. Na or a come together. Un appartement.
Un apartment.
Correct? Now negation. First one, this one. Nous.
Nous avons pas de
Jouer.
jouer.
S is silent. Okay, your pronunciation was wrong here. Like nous avons they का sound आएगा des. Give the sound of they. Nous
They.
avons des jouets. We have toys, like some toys, more than one, so they come because you have s here. Now, when we negate, we put na and pa because of na and apostrophe because avar starts with a vowel. So nous n'avons ये एक साथ आ जाएगा nous n'avons pas. We doesn't have nous n'avons pas the का sound आएगा not they. The jouet. Although jouet is plural, that is they are plural, but we put the because a negative sentence. Clear? Nous n'avons pas de jouet. Clear? Nous n'avons pas de jouet. Now, il a un appartement. Il n'a pas. Répétez, il n'a pas
Il
Il
n'a
n'a
pas
pas
d'appartement.
Apartment.
appartement.
So D or A together, the का sound आएगा. Why we put here apostrophe? Because apartment starts with a vowel, right? So D and apostrophe come. Il n'a pas d'appartement. He doesn't have any apartment. Clear? So D and apostrophe come. Any doubt here? Anyone? Any doubt? See clear?
Ma'am,
Uh,
when we don't use the, do we always use the or we don't use the?
The exception is there. So whenever we are talking about this one, the may part. Whenever there's a ether verb, in that case, we use a, yun, they, or a as it is. There's no change. Clear? In case of ether verb. Otherwise, if you are talking about like any verb apart from this, we use a, yun, they as the because a yun and they shows quantity. But when you negate, quantity become nil. So any हो जाएगा the or the apostrophe. Suppose you are saying, I have a brother, j'ai un frère. Negation में क्या होगा? I don't have any brother. So quantity negate हो रही. तो je n'ai pas de frère. Je n'ai pas de frère. Clear? But when we talk about ether verb means you are presenting something, you are giving information like Setali, this is a bed. So when you negate, in negation also the statement that is same रहेगा ना, like Setali, this is a bed, Sanepa Ali, this is not a bed, right? तो Sanepa Ali क्वांटिटी नहीं बता रहे दैट यू आर गिविंग द इंफॉर्मेशन तो से ताली से मतलब हो गया दिस इज अली मीन्स अ बेड नाउ व्हेन वी निगेट से को हम सेपरेट कर देंगे से में क्या है सा है और ये ई एस टी है राइट एंड आफ्टर दिस वी नीड टू पुट ना एन apostrophe बिकॉज एथ्रोवर्ब स्टार्ट विद अ वाउल तो से का निगेशन होता है सा नेपा से मीन्स हो गया दिस इज और दैट इज निगेशन क्या हो गया सा नेपा रिपीट मी सा नेपा
Sanepa.
Nepa.
Ali, Ali as it is. There is no change. Clear? Niharika, oh sorry, Jasvika, can you read this one? B and negation, C and negation.
Oui, madame. C'est une maison. Ce n'est pas une maison.
Sa ne pa. Sa ka sound आएगा, not say. If you say, then it's become this one, say. Okay. So this give the sound of say, apostrophe, like est, that say ka sound आएगा. But you separate this one that give the sound of sa only, sa. Okay, sa. Okay, तो
Ce
sa ne,
sont
ça n'est pas une maison là. Ça sent, yeah? Ça sent.
des vidéos.
रिदो री पहले पढ़ो एंड दो रिदो rideau. Okay, ça sont des rideaux.
Ce sont des rideaux. Ce ne sont pas des rideaux.
Correct? So these are not curtains. Okay, now this one again, read this one.
C'est un appartement. Ce n'est pas un appartement.
We never say yun. This is like right? Masculine. So c'est un appartement. T or a,
C'est
both of you, if there is a T or a or T or yun, pronounce together, all of you. That is c'est un or c'est une. C'est un, c'est une. Like always together. C'est une maison, c'est un appartement. Clear?
oui,
Ça n'est
madame.
pas, ça n'est pas un appartement. तो ça separate हो गया, n'est pas, ça n'est pas un appartement. Clear? Ça n'est pas un appartement. Any doubt here? Like negation in case of adverb, indefinite article never get changed. Clear? So règle means rule. Nous ne suivons pas cette règle avec la verbe être. Suivre means follow. Set means this. Règle means rule with the adverb. So it doesn't follow this rule with the adverb. Clear? Now
Oui,
here,
madame.
you know all of you that is in definite article like we do na. Le, la, le, and la apostrophe. The meaning is the.
Oh,
So whenever you have a definite article in negation, definite article also never get changed. Like Sakshi, can you read this one first and this one?
oui, madame. Et c'est la faire de liste. C'est na, ça n'est pas la faire de liste.
Correct? So you can see here, la is attested. We put, ce n'est pas l'affaire d'Alice. This is the brother of Alice. This is not the brother of Alice. So ce n'est pas l'affaire d'Alice. Now again this one.
Elle aime, elle aime la maison. Elle n'aime pas la maison.
Yeah, here the sound come nem. Elle n'aime pas la maison. Nem sound come. Elle n'aime pas la maison. Clear? So she likes the house. She doesn't like the house. Clear? So elle n'aime pas la maison. Yeah, any doubt here? Jaspika, read this one. Nous,
Nous avons les jours des mails. Nous n'avons pas les jours des mails.
yeah, now you can say jouer. Jouer means twice. Nous avons les jouets de mail. Nous n'avons pas le jouet de mail. That is a name. So we don't have the twice. Like you need to say here, that is, you can see lay as it is right. So whenever you have an indefinite article, you change as a, yun, or they, you change as the. But when you have adverb, there is no change. But in case of definite article, there is no change. Okay, clear? Niharika, this one, c'est l'appartement.
C'est l'appartement de
Juliet,
Juliette.
then negation.
C'est pas appartement de Juliette.
Ça n'est pas, répétez, ça n'est pas. Ça n'est
Ça
pas.
n'est pas,
Ça n'est pas
ça
l'appartement de
n'est pas,
Juliette.
ça
Ça n'est
n'est pas appartement de Juliette.
l'appartement. Like la कब sound आएगा l'appartement de Juliette. Okay? So c'est l'appartement de Juliette. Ça n'est pas l'appartement de Juliette. All of you clear this one?
Oui, madame.
Yeah. Now this is about the negation, and negation is just like very much easy. You just need to put na and pa before and after the verb. Suppose I ask to you, are you French? So I'm asking to you, es-tu, être verb. So es-tu français? Français. Es-tu français? So you can say no, no,
Nous,
je ne suis pas française. Right? Je ne suis pas français. Je suis indienne. Right? So this is about like negation. Es-tu française? No, je ne suis pas français. Je suis indienne. Clear?
oui, madame.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is like negation. Na and pa come before and after the verb. Okay, now here this is done. We can do 10 minutes, that is speaking part. Apartment, like you described your house very well. Now the next one is in the grammar portion. You have qu'est-ce que vous faites la weekend? What do you do the weekend? So that we are doing right now.